Hello guys, this is me Riddhi and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, and today's video is actually going to be about the books I really want to read in this May. There are many books I want to complete, and now I think I can complete in this May, so I can do this. Yeah, so there are some books I love, and most of them were with the series and the books about wrote by Cassandra Clare, but I think most of the books I want to buy of Cassandra Clare, and because when we start reading a book, it's really amazing than Kindle or Audibles. Yeah. So the first book which I really want to read is actually You Can Heal Your Life by Louise L. Hay. So it's actually a book about the problems in your life. Whatever the problems are coming in your life, you can just टेक आउट द प्रॉब्लम्स. मतलब कुछ कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हम सोचते हैं कि क्यों हो रही है हमारे साथ में. सो ये बुक पढ़ने के बाद वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू हैव दैट प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज दिस हैव द सोल्यूशन ऑफ द बुक्स. और ये बुक मेरी नहीं, बुक मेरी मम्मी की है, जो मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे दी थी पढ़ने के लिए. शी टोल्ड इज़ वेरी नाइस बुक एंड यू कैन रीड इट. इट्स रियली अमेजिंग. And now the second book which I really want to read is actually the Enid Blyton's Naughtiest Girl. It's not actually wrote by the writer, the real writer. It's actually wrote by the Enid Digby. So Naughtiest Girl series was wrote by the Enid Blyton, but she has stopped, so it has been rewritten by Enid Digby, and I think it's really nice book. And I love Naughtiest Girl series. I love children series, so I think I will complete this book this May only. And the third book which I really want to read is actually the City of Ashes by Cassandra Clare Mortal Instrument series part 2. So I have read the Mortal Instrument part 1 and the part 2, and it's really nice book. Part 1 I liked it, and I can't say I loved it, but I like Cassandra Clare's writing, and I think I will have to complete. Many books were written by her. I love the Shadowhunter stories. Yeah, I love. And they have to actually, what is in this book, it's actually a book about one villain named Valentine, and they have to save Miss Clary is actually a main character who have to save her mother from Valentine, and also the three mortal instruments. The first is the mortal cup, the second is the mortal sword, and the third is the mortal mirror. So this is a story about the saving this three mortal cup and mirror and sword. Yeah, so I liked it. I have read the 5 chapters actually from the yet now, but I want to complete this part now in this May. Now the second of the, again this is second book by Cassandra Clare, which is the Infernal Devices part 1, which is the Clockwork Angel. I think I should start reading Infernal Device Clockwork Angel, because I think because of lockdown, I don't know lockdown कब तक बढ़ेगा कब तक रहेगा, and so I was thinking that I think I will read this all in the my ebook app which I use, so I can read this all these books about the Cassandra Clare books in the ebook app. But I think I'm going to buy these books, and I think I'm going to buy the left 2 books of by Cassandra Clare in the Infernal Devices, which is the Clockwork Princess and Clockwork Prince, and I think I'm going to read this book, that book, in the reading the books. Sorry, I really sometimes make a confusion saying rather than reading on the Kindle or Audibles. Now the next book which I really want to read is actually the Mahapurushanchi Jivan Katha. It is wrote in Marathi, and I like to read Hindi Marathi books also, not just English. And I really like this book because this book is actually about all the great person, जितने भी महापुरुष के रामायण में राम, महाभारत, and all their life story, and about Jesus Christ, Gautam Buddha, and many more are written in this book, and I really want to read that book. Now the 7th book which I want to read is a Ram by Amish Tripathi, and I really want to read this book because this book is really amazing, and I have just read the first some part of this book before buying it in the sample piece of Kindle, and I really like the sample piece, and that's why I buy this book, and I'm going to read the whole book this May. I think I can't do, but I really think I'm going to try to read this book. Half I can read this book, yeah, half I can. And now the 8th book which I really want to read is actually The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. I really want to complete The Fault in Our Stars because I never read any book of the John Green and really don't know what is actually Fault in Our Stars, how much nice it will be, but I think I'm going to love this book also. And the ninth book which I really want to read is actually the Twilight Saga. I'm going to start, means I am starting the Twilight Saga series, and I want to complete the Twilight Saga first part. I'm reading it on the Audible, so on the Book Play app it's free. So yeah, I'm reading, that's why. So yeah, I'm going to read this book. And now the last, not the least, so the 10th book which I really want to read is actually it's actually a book wrote by Stephen Hawking, from the great writer and the great author of the Brief History of Time. I really have I love studying about space and science, and I really love science, so I really like this book, and I'm going to complete this book because this book is so small, and I think I'm going to complete this book. And yeah, this is the last book, and I just don't stop here. There are many books I want to read, but I don't know. I'm going to read the more books are there, but I think the video is becoming a lengthy, so let's stop it here only, guys. And if you love books and if you love to know about them, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.